In today's video, we're going to use these tap-in splice connectors to add a circuit to an existing circuit. So literally tap into the circuit. These are great ways to access your positive and negative for vehicle projects. And the reason I want to do this video is because we've got a couple of upcoming videos I'm going to make. I'm going to be adding a backup camera to a vehicle, adding fog lights, and this is a piece of trailer wiring. We're going to wire out connections to haul a tent trailer. Got a little lab set up here. You see the fog light come on over here, and what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to use these to cut into the circuit. The Tapin Splice comes in different sizes. This one is for 14 to 16 gauge wire, very common in automotive applications. Now if we look at this, the way this goes, you can see that one of these two holes here is straight through. Put the wire right through like so. The other is blocked right there. The one that's blocked is for the new circuit we are adding in. Our new wire will go in there and it'll stop, and the circuit we're cutting into, that's going to go like so. Right, I'm going to open that up a little bit. There you go, and then we're going to clamp this down. In our little lab setup environment here, 12-volt battery, and I've used the wires to our fog light. Black goes into this trailer connector, red, and I'm using the black as the ground on this side and the green as the positive. Can you see that over there? Maybe not. There's the green wire on the positive connection to the terminal. So we're just simulating if we're working on the vehicle, and what we're going to do is add in an additional fog light. So we're going to pretend this is hardwired into the vehicle. We got a fog light that works, and we're going to add another one. And you never want to be cutting into circuits that are powered, so you're going to do the same as what I just did there, remove the wire. Only in actual life you're going to be like pulling the fuse or taking the positive and negative terminals off of your battery in your vehicle. Now you're working on a circuit that isn't live. Anyway, let's get one of our connectors here. So here is a green wire over to our battery. We want to cut into that for a new fog light. Let's move this over here so you can see what we're doing. So let's make the green positive going to our battery. We're going to connect that to the red wire on our fog light. So that is the existing circuit we talked about. See how I'm pushing that through? Kind of hold that down. Now, here we are with our new positive lead. Let's see if I can show you this. If we look, this is the one that'll only go down so far. See that? Hopefully you can see that wire is only going in so far, and then we take our clamp it like so, and get our pliers involved in the job here. Kind of wish I'd zoomed in a little closer here. Should get the idea though. Now as we clamp this, you'll see that that bottom tab goes over. Now we're going to splice into our ground wire. I just simulated pulling the fuse there. So here's the ground wire we're using. So that's our existing circuit wire. And here's the black wire from our new fog light that we're adding. So see if I can show you this. If we look at the connector from that way, we can see that this side here is the one that has the block that keeps the wire from going in too far. So here we go on our new circuit. The black one to the fog light. That's going in that side. And then our existing circuit, the white wire is going to lay in here. There we go. Alright, so we're cut into our existing circuit. We make sure that our black wire is still there and pushed in as far as it'll go. We're going to move our tab over the top and get our pliers out here. Be a little bit of a challenge to hold all this together. Make sure that's on there again. Tamp that down. Make sure that our tab goes over the other side and clicks in, which it does. And can you see that? Both of our fog lights just came on there. Okay, I'm gonna have to hold that there. So hopefully you get the idea what we're doing. Our new, we just tapped in, oops, eek, sorry about that. That's our new fog light. This is the fog light for the circuit that we cut into. Hopefully that was helpful.